Searching for a single level home on a panoramic view lot? Look no further. I'm so excited to show you 2900 Calle Heraldo. This amazing single level home sits on an expansive lot. It's over 16,000 square feet and it has panoramic views. It's located in the highly desirable Forester Ranch area of San Clemente. And this house has been meticulously maintained. Everything has been done. Just a few highlights: new roof, new solar that's paid for, Tesla charging station, upgraded kitchen and bathrooms, outside stucco's been redone, new HVAC, and there's over 20 fruit trees in the backyard. You are gonna love this home. Contact me today to set up your private showing of this amazing home.